Hello, guys.
Hello, I'm Johnny.
I'm Julie.
We are
The Parsons RV Journey. We came up here to Hillsborough River State Park again. We were here a few weeks back, several weeks back, and this time though, last time we were coming in as a walk-in. This time we have reservations, but we're having to wait. So when we came in as a walk-in, we were able to come right on in. But now we just got here. It's like 1:30 and check-in's at 3, so they've asked us to wait. So we're waiting in the parking lot number 3, and us along with some other RVs are waiting till 3 o'clock to check in. So see, this is where we parked. There's 2 more there, and then other cars and stuff in the parking lot.
We'll be waiting for check-in time.
Yeah.
Time that's right to arrive.
So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna maybe get out and go for a walk on the trail or something to wait.
Running the dash air right now, but
It's kind of
I
warm.
need to just turn it off, I think.
Yes. Yep. So we wait. What if there's a spider in there? Or a snake? What if you get stuck?
Help me.
Johnny.
Hey, Julie. I have got to lose some weight.
Yeah.
Cool tree, though.
Yeah. Johnny fits in the tree. I don't think I'd get in that tree.
Hey, I fit in the tree. You believe that?
Yeah, I know.
It's a cool tree there.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Black mucky waters. This is Gator Pavilion here. Gator Pavilion.
If you ever go back to the woolly swamp, where you better not go at night. There's things out there at the foot of them woods that make a grown man up and cry. Things that walk, things that crawl, and things that creep around on the ground. That's pretty dark there, isn't it? It's pretty dark there.
Pretty dark. Black waters.
The Gabriel boys was white trash, and they lived over on Carver's Creek. They were mean as a snake and sneaky as a cat and belligerent when they'd speak. And one night the oldest brother said, "Y'all meet me in a woolly swamp later, and we'll take old Lucius's money and we'll feed him to the alligators." They found the old man out in the back with a shovel in his hand. 13 rusty mason jars he just dug up out of the sand, and they all went crazy and they beat the old man and they picked him up off the ground, threw him in the swamp, and stood there and laughed as the black water sucked him down. Then they turned around and went back to the shack, and they picked up the money and ran. They hadn't gone nowhere till they realized they were running in quicksand. And they struggled and they screamed, but they couldn't get away, and suddenly as they went under, they could hear that old man laughing in a voice as loud as thunder. "If you ever go back to the woolly swamp, where you better not go at night, boom, boom. There's things out there at the foot of them woods that make a grown man up and cry. Things that crawl, things that walk, and things that creep around on the ground. And they say the ghost of Lucius Clay gets up and he walks around." Well, I couldn't believe it. I just had to find out for myself, and I couldn't receive it. 'cause I wouldn't listen to nobody else and I couldn't believe it. Just had to find out for myself, 'cause some things in this world you just can't explain. Some things in this world you just can't explain. Our dog is learning to walk on a short leash.
Trying.
Because we've had a retractable leash and it spoiled her. So we're trying to teach her to walk on a short leash.
Let's see. Take a breather. She said, let's go.
These RVs, I think that's a Vixen 21. So those folks over there's got 3. They're together, I think. Maybe I can talk to them later. What's your name?
I'm Danny.
Danny, where are you from?
I'm from Panama City Beach, Florida.
And I was talking to Danny. He's got a cool RV there. Can you tell me what year, what kind of that is?
That's a Vixen motorhome. It was built in 1986 in Pontiac, Michigan.
That's awesome.
They built 587 of them, and they went out of business. So
Wow.
3 years they stayed in business, and there may be maybe 300 of them left
Yeah.
worldwide.
Wow.
It's a motorhome. It's an A-class motorhome. It'll fit in a standard garage. It's 21 feet long.
Wow.
Has a full-size bed, and it'll get 30 miles to a gallon.
Wow, that is awesome. That's awesome.
This
What,
particular one's a turbo diesel.
turbo
BMW
diesel? Is that what you?
BMW engine, yeah.
Wow. So it is Volkswagen. Or it's
Got
a
nothing to do with
I'm
Volkswagen.
sorry, that's my bad.
Yeah.
It's BMW.
No, it's an American-made vehicle in Pontiac, Michigan,
Okay.
but it has a BMW engine in it.
Okay, that's right. That is short. So what do you got? You got a bathroom inside, or?
Yeah, it's got a bath and shower, sink and microwave, sink, everything an A-class motorhome has.
That's awesome.
This has. It's just in a small space.
That's awesome. Yeah, I think you're the one I seen coming in the other day. I heard the diesel. It sounded good.
Yeah,
So you got 2 more. Are y'all a club or just friends? Or
friends.
you got 2 more over here. And that one, man, I like the wheels on that one there. What's your name again?
Blunk, B-L-U-N-K.
Blunt. And they have a
Jack and Mary.
Jack and Mary. And they have a Forester Class C. What year is it?
2017.
2017. And I was just complimenting them on it. It's very nice looking.
Rides wonderfully.
That's good. What engine?
E450,
E450.
Super Duty.
Looks very nice.
Yeah.
Looks very nice.
We have 3 televisions.
Wow, 3 televisions. You got a 1 bedroom in the back.
1 bedroom in the back.
Yeah.
That's our satellite.
Oh wow, that's awesome. So you get out pretty good with that?
We do.
Get good internet and all?
No, not internet.
Okay.
Just same thing as Dish TV.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
I got you. So that's pretty cool.
Oh,
This
wow.
is all controlled by a
Show
remote
that
screen
control
here.
Up there, remote. That's pretty
Touch screen.
Wow. That's pretty
Now.
cool.
Let me show you.
Wow,
That's how you do your sliders.
that is
Whoa.
nice in there.
You can do everything from a monitor.
That's your monitor panel.
As long as
Tells you gray water,
I know it.
electric or gas water heater. Okay.
These days I'm going to punch that screen and
That's controls all the lighting.
maybe not the bank. We had a holiday
And-
Ranger Endeavor. It's a Class A.
This is the generator.
Before the
Wow.
guy and the computer went
You
out
can
and
crank it from there.
Yeah.
it works the engine
And
and the transmission.
that is your awning going in and out.
So
That's basically like a little control station.
It's the control station. And then under here you have for a fan
Oh, okay. Yeah.
while you're cooking, or if you want to undo that one up there, it'll pull from the windows.
Yeah, ours is manual. Pretty much on ours, everything is
Our
manual.
first one was too.
Yeah.
This is my pride and joy. Double door refrigerator.
Oh, wow. Yeah, we got a double door. It's just it's pretty small. It's smaller than that.
Ours does too. It has a good ice maker.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
pretty cool there.
And I'll tell you what,
It's like a
my second,
almost regular size fridge.
and then my second one is,
Oh wow,
That is nice there.
that pulls right on out.
yep. We really like it. It's easy on us.
That's right.
I'm
That's
sorry, I
right.
just finished supper dishes and they're draining.
That is fine. This is nice. We here. This is actually the perfect size for
It
a
is for
man and
us.
wife, I think.
Yeah, it is for us. And we still have a queen size up there if we have guests,
That's awesome. Yeah.
which
So,
acts as storage.
yeah. So actually, it would work good for 3 also, 3 or
Yeah.
4.
Like I said, we just took our showers.
But
And
see,
then there's the bathroom.
go ahead. Wait just a minute. You can't come in here.
Yeah.
And you have a
This is
queen
pretty
size bedroom.
Huh.
2 closets. Another TV and linen closet in the
That's
middle.
very nice.
Mm-hmm.
This is actually what my wife had wanted before we got our Class A.
Okay, that's the bathroom.
That's where my plants ride. Oh, Jack's
Awesome.
gonna kill me. His underwear's hanging up there.
Uh-oh.
That's a nice shower. But we all, because of the holding tank and not having a drainage here, you know, a sewer here,
Right,
we go down there and have do our showers.
right.
But I don't know what else I can show you.
Well, I guess that.
Oh, I'll show you this.
Oh.
I'm sorry. Yeah, recliner.
Okay.
That's nice.
That's just the feet comes up. The back doesn't recline. All underneath.
That's awesome.
I have storage all under there.
Okay.
Huh.
That's pretty awesome.
So how many does this sleep?
Well, this makes a bed.
Oh, okay.
You have a queen size bed up here.
Wow.
You have the queen size bed back there, and of course, this doesn't make a bed, but a small person could sleep on it.
Wow.
Yeah, so you could put probably 6, 7 people in here.
You
depending-
sure could.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
sure could. Yeah. Well, this is.
That's
very
a microwave and convection oven.
Okay.
Yeah, that's. I think that's what ours is.
Yeah, ours is the same. It's microwave and convection, and then the gas stove.
How is you gonna be here tomorrow?
Till check.
They look like they're made.
The LEDs, they're made into the awning, right?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
That's awesome. Yeah.
Yeah, we have to put ours through the line. And,
That's pretty neat there.
Yeah, it is. I was scared to death of working with this.
Yeah,
but come to love it
I'm
now.
pretty much,
Yeah.
you know.
Now, you guys, where are you originally from?
North Carolina,
North Carolina.
Winston-Salem, North Carolina.
That's awesome.
And when we sing and stuff.
So guys, we finished our stay here. This is our second time staying at Hillsborough River State Park. This is in, well, it's near Plant City. So anyway, we enjoyed this stay. Data was okay this time on the other side of the park. It wasn't great, but right here where we were, it would seem to be pretty good. And so now we're getting the RV ready. We're headed to Plant City. We're going to be staying in Plant City at Robinson Orange RV Park because we're going to be singing there tonight and Saturday night. And we'll be there a few days, and then we'll be headed back up to Georgia. So first we're headed to a Dunkin' so that we can send some emails, because right now we're trying to figure out an internet solution. So if you guys got some tips for us on that, we'd love to hear them. So anyway, if you're still breathing,
Yes, still hope.
there's still hope. God bless you guys.
Thank you.